Okay, now we're going to examine the dissolved field and other attribute. And I'm gonna go over everything and we will went through the slides because if we will talk about some terms, it's not like a theory and stuff, it's more based on what we do. Then we kind of like review using the slides. Okay, now dissolve tool needs data, a dissolve field, on which block groups combine into a neighborhood. So name is the dissolve field, and that field contains the neighborhood name to which each block groups belongs. So now we open the Manhattan block groups attribute table. Right click on it and go to attribute table, and I'm going to just flow so we can see a lot better there and there. Okay, so now we're going to sort the name. So let's go to the name and right click on it. We will sort ascending. As we scroll, we will see the block groups records that make up each neighborhood. The figure shows some of the block groups for the Battery Park City, Lower Manhattan, and Central Harlem South neighborhood. So we're going to scroll to the right and examine the remaining attributes. So values are estimate of the number of housing units in structures of different sizes along with the total number of housing units in each block group. For example, we have a field TOT1 underscore detached is a one family house detached from any other house. Mobile is the total number of mobile homes in a block group. TOT20 underscore 40 includes the total number of housing units for each block group in structures containing 20 to 49 units. That is very large apartment or condo buildings. TOT50 is the total number of housing units in structures containing 50 or more units, mainly high-rise apartment and condo buildings. When dissolving block groups, we will sum these housing unit values by neighborhoods, which will indicate housing density. And then we close the window here. And now we're going to dissolve block groups to create neighborhoods. Then we will go to analysis tool, and then tools, and search the dissolve button. Dissolve. Actually, I can just bring it from here. Maybe not. Usually dissolve should be here, right here. Okay, dissolve. And then the input pane, we will do Manhattan block groups and output feature that we can do put it into geodatabase. Put into database, yeah, there. Name, just say dissolve. And add many from statistic field option. Scroll down and click chat box for the TOT fields. TOT fields. Okay. All the TOT 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. Okay. And then we can run. And we will do click the sum statistic type. It will be sum. There. Okay. And then we can run the tool. Parameters are missing. Add. There. Okay, you have to click Add and then run the tool and close it after finish, and new neighborhood feature class appears in the content pane. And the new one, did it finish running? Missing or invalid? There is no TOT total. I'm gonna close this out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Run. Okay, now dissolving. And now we can see it is dissolved. In the contents pane, we open the Manhattan, the dissolve one, and we will sort ascending. Open the attribute table. Close it out. I think I did descending. It should just have a 1 field. I think I did something wrong. Let's see. It's sum statistic for each statistic field. Oh, okay. Well, I didn't select the name, that's why. I dissolve everything. Alright, so let's find dissolve again. Okay, dissolve fields. Okay, so Manhattan block again, and then this one, database, we will say dissolve 2. Okay, and click save, and dissolve fields, it will be name. And fields, we will check with the T 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Click add. Awesome. Click run. Okay, dissolve 2. There. Attribute table. Okay, and then we will go as the new neighborhood feature class appears here, and in the contents pane we're going to open this attribute table, and we will sort descending on the sum of TOT50. Where is TOT50? Oh, right here. Okay, is it ascending, descending? For example, now we did descending. We have 41240. For example, on the western upper west side, there are 41,240 housing units in structures having 50 or more units. So we close the map and open the fire company, Bellicum division map, which is the second map. Right here. Alright, so now other useful map layer for the officers and emergency response teams show populations per square mile in fire battalions and divisions. So the New York City Fire Department, like most fire departments around the country, is organized in a quasi-military fashion with companies, battalions, and divisions. Here we have a fire companies, but need fire battalions and divisions. Other use the dissolve tool and attribute file BN to dissolve fire company polygons to create a new feature class named Manhattan Fire Battalions. So we will do it in Chapter 6 GeoDatabase, and we will use sum option and attribute population 2010 and as square miles per hour to sum the population and square miles for each battalion. So repeat dissolve to create a new feature class named Manhattan Fire division and using field fire division as the dissolved field symbolize Manhattan Fire Division as no color and a thick red outline, and Manhattan Fire Abolitions as graduated color blue 5 classes and normalized using some population 2010 some square miles, remove Manhattan Fire Companies and label the fire abolition using the abolition number fire BN. The fire abolition for the Upper West Side neighborhood is 11. Is this one of the most densely populated fire abolition areas? So I guess it would be, because a lot of people in New York and people live in tall buildings. That's just like China. Life is very convenient and I love New York. So alright, let's just do it. Okay, so the first part we will use the dissolve tool to do the attribute. No, not intrusive. Okay, the first layer, Manhattan Fire Abolitions. Manhattan Fire Abolitions dissolve tool. 5 companies. Use the dissolve tool and attribute to dissolve fire company. Okay, this one we're going to name it Manhattan Fire Battalions. Click save, and then the field will be fire BN. And the fields we do is dissolve 5 company polygons. Use the sum option and attributes. Some attributes for population 2010 and square miles to some square miles abolition. So, oopsies, did I click add? And this one, click add. Okay, click run. That's the first one, and we will do the second one. Alright, the second one, the same one, but we will say the second one is Manhattan Fire Division. Manhattan Fire Divisions, and the field. Save, and the field we use is fire division, and the subfields we will do for what? Repeat this, okay? That's it. Click run, and then we have to do symbology. Okay, symbology, fire abolition. Okay, so for fire division has no color and a thick red outline. So we will do symbology. Okay, it says no color. No color, so symbology I say no color. And then red, thick red outline, thick. So we do 3 then. Click apply. And then Manhattan Fire Abolition graduated colors. Click apply. This one is down. And division. Abolition. Oh no. Okay, so let's redo it again. Okay. This one is no color, and then red, and this is worth 3 for the fire division. Okay, click apply. And then for abolition, we will do symbology graduated color, blue 5 classes. Okay, better show names for me. Show names for me, blue 5 classes. And normalized using some population 2010 divided by it didn't have it. Okay, then I have to calculate it. Okay, so right click on it and open attribute table. So I need to go to the field design